Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything, and the war is on with these rodents, these little vermin. I'm going to show you some of the damage that they're doing, and then I'm going to show you what we got, and then I'm going to tell you if it worked. So, let's go check out what's going on in this high tunnel. They are just having a heyday. I did go ahead and put some of my little onions around, but look, guys, they're just munching away, enjoying themselves, having dinner every night on my dime. Such a struggle. Look at this kohlrabi. They just stripped it down. It looks like our little field mice are vegetarians because, boy, they are doing a number on some of my tubs. It is so discouraging to come out here and see this. Look at that. I think that they'll rebound once we get the problem under control. But my goodness, it is just such a battle. But let me show you some of the things that I transplanted yesterday. So I did put some more kohlrabi here. I need to get some water in there. And the thing I'm noticing about these higher tubs is they're not getting in these. I did go ahead and put some celery. And I have more of my onion starts. I planted a variation of lettuces in here. I've got some more cauliflower. They seem to be leaving these alone right now in the middle of the high tunnel, guys, and they're focusing on around the edges, and I think that's because that's where they're coming in. But my middle row, everything is looking healthy and good, and I'm thankful for that. Look at this kohlrabi, isn't that beautiful? Look at that, coming in good. So my radishes are ready to pull. These daikons are going to be a little bit. Let's come over here and look at these. Here's my celery. I have more celery here. So these are going to come up today, guys. I'm going to get them washed up, and I'm going to make me a salad for dinner, and I'll tell you what I'm going to add with it, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant some more radishes. I'm going to add some of this arugula. This arugula has turned out delicious. I come out here and munch on it. My Napa cabbage looks to be doing okay. Greg treated the high tunnel with that azotin the other day, and I think it knocked them down quite a bit. Here is more of my bok choy that the rats are not, or the mice aren't getting. And then my carrots, I have thinned them out. I'm going to need to do some more thinning. Now let's talk about what I purchased at Ace Hardware the other day and how it worked. Ta-da! This is a wind-up multiple catch mouse trap, and very excited at how this worked. We did catch 3 this morning. Check out this video. So this live trap that we did get from Ace Hardware did catch 3. We put it where we saw they were coming up underneath the plastic in the high tunnel. So 3 down, quite a bit more to go. So I placed the little contraption in the corner, no bait needed, and you wind it up, and that is the hole that I saw them coming in and out of yesterday. So I put it there. I did have it up in my raised bed, and it didn't catch any the night before, but this morning we came out here and there were 3 in there, and Greg just took it. It's a very humane way. He took it and drove down the road quite a ways and released them in a field. This is the other thing I got. Now these are granules, guys, and this is for rabbits, deer, mice, rodents, squirrels, which we don't have any squirrels out here. But this works for like one night. And honestly, I can't afford to keep coming out here every day. I think I might change up what I'm doing. I was putting this in the raised bed, but I think I'm going to put it around the perimeter of the high tunnel tonight and try to keep them from coming in here at all. So this wind-up mouse trap was $18.99. Very much worth it because I did get rid of 3 of them. And I will be watching, and we may have to get more of these. I may have to get 4 or 5 more until I see that I'm not getting any munches on my bok choy especially. I want to give you an update on my handy-dandy blueberry tomatoes. Look, guys, how beautiful those are. So we have lots of tomatoes to look forward to. Just wanted to give you a little update here. You can see I have clusters throughout these plants. They are enjoying this weather. So I have about 7 beautiful heads of cabbage that are forming in this raised bed, in this western raised bed. They're in there, and they are just looking so beautiful. I can't wait for them to come to fruition. There's all kinds of plans I have for this cabbage, but you can see they are doing quite nicely. So let me show you what I've done and getting in preparation for when I pull these up. Quick gander at the spinach out here. It's looking good. I did go ahead and put some lettuce in those remaining holes we talked about the other day, but yeah, my lettuce is doing good, or my spinach is doing good. Yay! So the first post of the end wall is going up. Greg will be setting more of those posts today, and then we'll start on the other end. So the other day I was able to go ahead and take my starts from my trays and put them into my 4-inch pots, and you can see they're looking beautiful. This is all broccoli and this is all cabbage, and all of this cabbage will go to replace that out there and also in that other high tunnel. So what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be doing some more seed starts. Want to keep rotating this stuff in, and our weather looks to be good for the next 7 days. So I think that I'm going to be able to get some more seed starts going, and if it starts to cool down too much, I can always move it into that seed starting table that Greg built me last year in that first high tunnel. So I'll keep you updated on that little live trap and how it fares, and if we continue to catch several. We did get rid of 3, which I'm so thankful for. And I'm also on that Bianine deterrent. Again, we don't want to kill anything. So, but if I have to, I may have to put the regular rat traps in here, which I really hate to do, but we cannot let them devour all of our hard work. So anyway, I wanted to give you an update on that windup and on that Bianine deterrent and let you know how it did. Again, I think I'm going to sprinkle it around the outside of the high tunnel in the other raised beds to see how good it works, and maybe just keep them out of here altogether. So thank you guys for watching. Still more videos coming up. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and share our videos. We appreciate each and every one of you. Continue to pray for us as well. We work through our grief and try to get back on top of things and try to get back on track. Oh, and look at what my daughter got me. It is a locket with me holding my mother's hand the last day that I got to see her alive. So it was it's such a special treasure. It's also with my Christian cross. So hanging on to this, guys. Take care. God bless. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And we will be in touch. Take care.